Right, we are in Waymo, driverless car.
So I'm in Waymo now, and it's saying good morning Daryl to me, and I'm going to press the button now to start the ride. Let's lock the doors.
Heading to Filbert Street.
Here we go.
Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened.
So as you can see,
Press the call
steering wheel's moving there,
rider support agent.
and I haven't got a driver, and my taxi is just going down the road. This is just absolutely remarkable. What do you think?
It's incredible, isn't it? Really.
Just look at that there. Now it's turned, and it's taking me now up the street. There is a stop sign here, so it looks like Waymo has got to stop. So he is stopping there, and we're indicating left, and we're going to turn left. This is just outrageous, really.
Beautiful cars.
I can't believe it. The Jags, aren't they?
Yeah.
So it says I've got a 4-minute ride here. So on my screen there, it does say 4 minutes. But I'm driving down the street here, and I've got no driver.
It's incredible, isn't it?
The car is just doing. The lights are red here, so the car is stopping.
Have you seen everyone stares at the car as well?
Everybody's looking at the car. There
you go, that's the Waymo that we're in there.
So I'll just look in that window across there, and you can see the Waymo that we're actually in. And as I say, the lights are red. Waymo knows they've gone green now. And here we go again. It's starting to drive, and again there's absolutely nobody in my car. I don't know what to say, really. And we're indicating right here now.
Oh, it's going to take us up Hyde, real.
And it's going to take us up Hyde Street,
very
which
steep.
is a really, really steep street. So the steering wheel's turning there. And look at this. We are going up Hyde Street. Thanks, Waymo, for giving me this ride this morning. So I can here adjust the air conditioning if I want. And I think I can pull over at any time and talk to somebody. But who needs to do that? Waymo's dealing with everything I need to do here. He's just slowing up. He's seen a car, which he's just passed us there. And he's carrying on up the street here. I mean, this is just unreal footage. I just don't know how this is happening, really. If I'd have said this years ago, everybody'd have laughed at me, wouldn't they?
Yeah. There's a girl there taking a photo.
Somebody just watching, and there's somebody taking a photograph there.
Don't let your belongings right away. Grab your stuff now.
So we're getting close to where we want to be dropped off.
It should turn left on Filbert, and it'll go down the steep street then.
So it should. You've asked it turn left on Filbert, have you?
Yeah. But it'll probably try and drop us off at a safe location. So it looks like it's going to drop us off on the right hand side, just here, wherever it's safe.
So it's finding a place here now to actually stop. I don't know where it's going to drop us off, but it is going to stop somewhere here, and there's a car trying back out here as
Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
As we're getting out. So it'll have to be.
Bye, Waymo. Right, this is the steepest street in San Francisco. We've got a guy flying a drone there, which is awesome. Beautiful views. And we can see right the way out to Coit Tower there. That just gives you an idea there of how steep the street is. Some beautiful homes in San Francisco. A real fun thing to do would be to use Waymo and just go to different sites of San Francisco. I mean, yeah, it may cost you a few $100s, but definitely be worth it. This one always brings back memories to me. This was appearing in Crazy Like a Fox. I used to love Crazy Like a Fox. And here's the cable car, San Francisco. We'll give everyone a wave. Wow, look at this fire escape out. Pretty tall, eh? Cable car is going to head down Hyde Street now. And there he goes. Down one of the most beautiful streets in San Fran. Well, the trees have overgrown quite a lot, but it's still a beautiful shot for you there. Very, very nice. Then if you can hear the cables under the road there. Welcome to Lombard Street, the most crookedest street in the world. And here we go. Cars are heading down. Hydrangeas have started to die off a little bit. I've noticed this year everyone's putting stickers on all the signs. Check that out. Such a beautiful day here in San Francisco. The flowers are gorgeous. And I wonder who lives in a house like that. Very, very nice. I like the colour. Hope you're enjoying day 9 here in beautiful San Francisco. And the weather is just perfect. Let's continue walking down Lombard Street. Fairly quiet at the moment. We are Labor Day Monday, but it's going to get very, very busy as the day goes on. Have some roses there. Just gotta love San Fran. There we go, Lombard Street. The hydrangeas have died off, unfortunately, but we still get a beautiful colour sky. Here's Waymo again.
Nobody driving.
Actually, there is Waymos everywhere in San Francisco.
Oh, this is Jackie.
Yeah, DP. Hi Waymo.
We're getting down to and Carol's jumping in there. I'm getting jumped on the back. While I get my seatbelt on.
All right.
Give me a second.
Good morning, Daryl. And good morning, driver.
So here we go. I'm in the Waymo now, and it's just waiting now for Daryl to start the ride.
Right, are we ready then, guys?
Yeah, let's go.
Here we go.
115 Beacon Street. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the call support button to speak with a rider support agent.
Well, this is fabulous, isn't it?
This is just absolutely unbelievable. Which way are we going to go here? Straight down, or are we going to turn?
Just everyone's amazed at the self-driving car. They're all waving at us there.
We're going straight down here, are we?
Yeah, so straight down here. there's a stop sign here.
It just amazes me how the car actually steers itself. It's remarkable, isn't it, really?
It's fabulous.
There's a screen there as well, so even if you sit in the back, you know where you are, and you can stop and start your car as you need to.
Really great, isn't it? You can see all the sensors on the front of the car.
Make a turn here now.
Left-hand turn, but there is a pedestrian there.
There's a pedestrian. What colour are the lights? Are they red or?
They're red. So it's gone green now.
And there's your steering wheel actually turning itself.
We're going to control the air conditioning, so we'll go down to about 67 there. That's amazing, isn't it?
So it tells you what speed waymo.
So this is just absolutely insane. Just check this out. No driver whatsoever.
And we're just driving along the streets of the city of San Francisco.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Self-driving. Is it Automonous car? Okay. There's Waymo.
Close the door and say goodbye to waymo.
Thanks for the ride, Waymo.